What is good, world? It is your boy The Session, and you see I'm using my inside voice, and that's because where I'm at is late at night. And the reason I'm here late at night is because this is usually when I find my plays. If I'm going to get in some options, if I'm going to invest in something, I like to research the night before. I like to sit at my computer, sit at my desk, rejuvenate. And one of the things I'm doing when I'm looking for option plays is I'm looking for unusual call volume, crazy volatility, news, sentiment, and more. You may know I love tip ranks, but today's video is all about Tiblio. Tiblio is an amazing platform. I've been talking about them for well over a year now. Great relationship between us, and the products are amazing. They help you find a lot of stuff, and I'm going to go over that today, tonight, whatever you want to say. But without further ado, let's begin. You did. First, I want to welcome you back to the channel and tell you I love you. As always, I need you to hit the like button, the subscribe button. Make sure you always hit the notification button as well too, the bell, whatever you want to call it, so you can see my beautiful face. The shadow bans don't work, baby. Happy to say we just did almost 70,000 views in under 5 hours on TikTok. We're still going hot there, as well as all the other platforms. So no shadow ban will be able to stop us. And I want you to wake up perfectly in the morning so you can have a platform or some kind of app or some sort of source or guide on how to know what options to get or what type of stocks you should invest in. I'm going to read off some amazing facts about Tiblio, and I'm going to show you on screen how the hell the platform looks, how the website looks. So as you see on the screen, I'm going to walk you through everything and just kind of go tab by tab, step by step, and showcasing what each breakdown is, and or at least the important ones in my opinion that I think you should look out for that are going to help you. Okay, so we have the screener overall messaging. With your Tiblio membership, you will get access to a variety of enhanced market screeners, including a bull squeeze, a crypto screener, earnings calendar, and a lot more. Tiblio screens the market using live real-time data, creating these custom screeners so you can find the best crypto token stocks that match your trading strategy and current conditions. All right, now it's time for me to tell you my favorite parts. The bull squeeze screener, what this does is scans the market in real time, looking for the stocks with unusually high call volume when compared to the average. So when you're looking for, this is a bull squeeze, so when you're looking for call options, you need to see things that have an unusual call volume. This is going to put everything in order for you. When you go to Tiblio, it's going to break it down. You can sort it by rank, the price, whatever you like, but it's going to show you exactly what things are highly likely to get calls on. Users can buy calls, buy stocks, or sell put credit spreads to take advantage of this. They even tell you exactly how you can take full advantage of using the bull squeeze screener. Next is the bear squeeze screener. It's the exact same thing, except you're going to be getting puts. It shows you the unusual put volume. This scans the market in real time, looking for stocks with unusually high put volume when compared to the average. Unusually high put volume that has been purchased at or near the ask are very strong bearish signals that users can take advantage of. Please understand how to read the charts, how to work the platform, and this will really serve you. Next, we have the earnings screener. All of y'all know the stocks fluctuate highly when the earnings are reported. If the company underperformed, usually the stock ends up dipping. But if the company overperformed or did better than sales in the quarter previous, or has some new news or new sentiment to it, oftentimes it goes up. And in the earnings screener, this lists stocks that are expected to report earnings within the next 7 days. Next we have stock halts. What stock halts is Tiblio notifies you via platform and in Discord when the stocks have halted during the trading day. So this happens for some of you who are Robinhood users like myself. Sometimes if there's extremely high volatility on the stock, they'll actually halt it and prevent you from purchasing it, and maybe sometimes even selling it. So this is something you're going to want to pay attention to, but Tiblio is going to alert you right off the bat. You don't even have to look any further. And then we're going to get more advanced with the credit spreads. Some of you like to do credit spreads. I don't get involved with those too much, but I will tell you a little bit about them. So Tiblio is going to scan the market looking for credit spreads with the highest premiums and the highest probability of success. Again, so you won't have to. You can save time by using this list to find credit spreads instead of searching through their brokerages. And next, we got one of my favorites, which is the crypto scanner. The crypto scanner is Tiblio's new crypto screener that tracks crypto trading volume in real time to identify tokens and bullish signals. Tiblio's crypto screener helps you find the best crypto trading opportunities. You'll never miss another crypto bull run again. So all you Shiba, Doge, and Dabadis out to the moon, you can find them right here. You don't even have to search any further. You know what I mean? They even have a Discord for you. All your answers have been solved right here. We have a pre-market gap screener. When Tiblio is going to give you an edge by identifying stocks with sharp increases or decreases in value compared to where they were previous day's market closing. A pre-market gap can happen due to a number of reasons, such as an early release of earnings, merger or acquisition announcements, a company breakthrough or failure, or negative news sentiment. And this is used during the pre-market. So this is going to be before the market opens. They're actually going to give you how the stock is performing way before the market even opens. Next, we have a Tiblio golden indicator. Next we have the sweep scanner. I haven't really used this much, but if you are familiar with it, you're going to want to check it out. And if not, let me at least tell you about it. So what the sweep scanner will do is allow you to follow the smart money, aka the investors with deep pockets who typically set up and execute a sweep strategy. Sweeps are aggressive orders filled across multiple exchanges and likely to be directional bets on underlying stock. Tiblio will send you real-time alerts on potential sweep strategies. Next, we have the Tiblio golden indicator. What this is, Tiblio scans the market after every market close looking for stocks that have made golden cross. This is when the 50-day moving average has crossed the 200. This is when the 50-day moving average has crossed the 200-day moving. We also filter for other stocks that have an average directional index greater than 25, which indicates a strong trend. Stocks are then checked for their relative strength index to check that they have not yet overbought. This indicator is based off of daily chart. So right there, they're giving you free sauce. You don't even gotta look no further. They have a trading journal as well. You can track all of your trades in Tiblio's advanced trade log, which automatically calculates portfolio metrics for you. The goal is to use Tiblio trade log to monitor your performance over time to focus on what works for your trading strategy. And look, last but not least, they even have the nerve to have a dope functional Discord. Now, I'm not going to sit here and give it away. Y'all know I got a Discord, but let me tell you about their Discord. It has some of the best bots out. Now, when I tell you that, that means that they make and custom develop and design all of their own bots. And with your Tiblio membership, you get access to all the things I just mentioned, plus the Discord. Okay, so you'll get access to an exclusive trading community on Discord where you can exchange ideas, access data and news, plus receive guidance from us on your trading strategies. Why not be in a community or a place where you can talk to other people just like yourself who want to know about options, who want to know about trading, who want to know about credit spreads, all of the above. And we've been working together so long because all of the energy is aligned. I love the platform. I love the people behind it. And, you know, Seshi Boy don't just put his name on anything. You can have all of these amazing things I told you about for a sweet monthly price of $34.95, aka $35, but $34.95. Or if you want to go ahead and pay it annually, you can get it knocked off for $350, aka $349.50. So you can choose the monthly or you can do the annual and save some money. But either way, it's your boy Session, and I suggest that you go check out Tiblio. Tiblio, I love you. Shout out to everybody over there. If you've been using Tiblio, let me know in the comments what you think of it, how it's upgraded. I know when I first started working with them, the website did not look like this. I hope you enjoy thoroughly. I've already made videos on this in the past. Again, type in the Session Tiblio. Check it out. Check out the TikTok video I made as well. Until next time, people. I love you. It's late, so I'm gonna do a little research on Tiblio. Then I'm gonna go to sleep and wake up ready for the market. Okay? Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.